Hello, good afternoon viewers. Welcome to our channel, and this is your host Mohammad Tariq Hassan, and today is the first Ramadan around the world. Because of Ramadan, I'm going to share one of my favorite drink, orange pineapple juice, right? So I'm going to tell you the juice, how to make it, all right? So let's go to the recipe. Okay, this is I already cut half into oranges. It's 4 oranges. It's up to you, whatever, how many quantity you want it. You can cut off that oranges, and the pineapple slices. There's 2 to 3 pineapple slices, right? And sugar, you need 2 to 3 sugar as per your taste. Okay, so first thing, we just the juice for orange. I'm just use that machine for the orange juice. Okay, so we already got the orange juice in our jug now, so we have to transfer this orange juice remove this thing here, and we move this orange juice into the other jug, or blender. And we can put this blender on the machine, and we can add up about 2 slices of pineapple. And I'm adding up 2 tablespoons of sugar. Blend it up. Okay, so that's your juice ready now, pineapple and orange juice. So you can pour into the glass. It's very easy and quick actually recipe. You don't need to so many things to make this juice. So that's your apple and pineapple juice. You can try at your home. That's our recipe for pineapple and orange juice. So if you like it, you must try at your home. If you like it, just put the comments in comments box, comment section, and it's not gonna cost you if you subscribe our channel. So please subscribe and like and share, and I'll bring you more interesting and amazing recipes and other like some travel and interviews. So till then, Allah Hafiz, goodbye.